just rolled 159,000 miles. Dang, dude. Still kicking. Looking good, too. Hey, so, I know I said my next video would be at the drag strip. Well, first off, hey, excuse the wind noise. I wasn't planning on doing the intro in the vehicle while I was driving, and it's super hot out. I want the windows down right now, so sorry. I'm not rolling the windows up. Yeah, I wasn't planning on doing the video while I was driving. I just saw that I was about to roll 159,000 miles, so I figured I'd click on video, or click on the camera and shoot some video real quick. So yeah, I know I said my next video would be at the drag strip, but unfortunately I had a mishap. I tore a muscle in my left calf, so basically I can't left foot brake, so I can't do burnouts, I can't stage, I can't drag race, because without left foot braking I'm not able to really do anything. So I mean, I should be good in the next like week or two. I mean, I'm already pretty much back to like 85-ish%. I've been down for a few weeks now with this calf tear. Dude, it's been brutal. I don't even couldn't walk. My ankle's still like double the size as it was before. Like, absolute brutal injury. Would not recommend. But yeah, today we're just going down to another Cars and Coffee. It's Two Crazy Donuts car meet, so go down there, hang out for a little bit, have some fun, you know, see some other cars, and yeah, that'd be it. I mean, not a whole lot going on. It sucks I can't drag race, but the weather hasn't been great either, and I also went on vacation, so it wasn't the, as far as timing goes, it was actually probably the best timing to have an injury like this, because I had a week and a half of vacation, or a week and a half vacation planned to Mass. So I went up to Mass, hung out. So I wouldn't have been drag racing anyways, I don't think. But and the weather's been absolute crap. So pretty much any time there's a drag, every Friday it's been raining. So I don't think I would have gotten to the drag strip anyway. But yeah, just wanted to, you know, get out and do something since I can't race. So we'll go do another car meet, hang out, have some fun, and see what this car show's got to offer. So I'll take a second, see how nice this car looks at 159,000 miles. It's did a fresh wax over the week since I couldn't do anything else. So just got to the meet. Car's still pulling in. Lots, pretty full actually. Pan around real quick. So you got a bunch of GTRs and imports over here. Some more imports, a row of Mustangs back there, and then some Mopar boys over there. But yeah, we'll go start over there and take a walk around real quick. Well guys, that's gonna do it for the meet. Pretty decent meet overall. Kind of standard for cars and coffees around here, about 100 cars or so. Not a huge variety, mostly just your standard tuner cars, Mustangs and Mopars. But yeah, made it home just in time. Got a sweet thunderstorm rolling in, so made it home just in time. Got the car in the garage. She's looking good, but should hopefully next video I is at the track and we were racing. If not, I think I'm gonna try to do some tuning on my own on the car a little bit, so maybe that might be the next video. I'm not sure yet. Been doing a ton of reading and watching other people's videos on tuning, so might just give it a go on my own. At least, like, you know, some air fuel stuff, MAF tuning, nothing too crazy, not doing like speed density or anything like that, just MAF tuning. No, not messing with the timing, just get the air fuels right, because as it's getting hotter, I think the car's running a little lean right now, so try to get that dialed in, then go to the track for the next go, see how she does. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I appreciate you guys watching. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, go ahead and hit like and subscribe. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.